How the hell y'all doing? Johnny Nocash here, and I got a special video for you. Now this is, I promise, I'm not turning this channel into a review channel, but I want it to be straight the fuck up with you when it comes to microphones. What you're listening to right now is my camera phone. I'm using the Samsung S22, and I'm using the microphone that's been built in. So if you're like right off the bat, this quality sucks, just a small disclaimer. Audio is extremely important for YouTube videos. You could have a 240p video and I'd still watch it, but if the sound quality sucks, I'm fucking moving on. So we're gonna be doing a comparison between not just the Samsung mic, but a couple external microphones that you can buy for your phone. First and foremost though, every fucking microphone requires one of these extensions, and it sucks because these are like $20 fucking. It's bullshit. I've been using the Boya MM1 universal microphone for about a year and a half. You can buy it online, or you can buy it usually at like a Best Buy or something. This microphone runs you about 30 bucks. And in the other corner, we have the Rode Mini Video Shotgun Go mic. This runs about 70 bucks, and we're just gonna do an overall comparison. What is best for your dollar, what is best for the quality, and what you should buy by the end of this video. So if you wanna step up your YouTube game, stick to the end of this video and find out what mic is best for you. All right, folks, so first up, we got the Boya MM1 universal microphone. It's about 2 feet away from me right now, and we're gonna be doing a comparison to see if there's any difference or a big difference at all between this mic and the Rode. Second up, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Rode Video Mic Go. It is plugged in right now at the exact same distance as I had the Boya, and we're gonna just do a comparison. This is not a controlled environment, so there's definitely gonna be some bleed, or will there? Let's go outside. So right now, folks, we got the Boya MM1 plugged in. It's got a little bit of a shock resistance on the mount. I'm not sure how that works, so we're just gonna walk around a bit, see if you can hear me, or if the background is just bleeding right in. That's exactly what this is all about. So right now, I've got the Rode plugged in. This is my Gorilla test. As you can hear, or I'm sure you can, that it is fucking loud. So we're about 8 feet away. I'm not entirely sure if this mic is picking anything up because of how loud it is outside. I also want to do a test for distance. I'm about 8 feet away right now, and it has quieted down just a little bit out here, but even still, can you even hear a damn thing coming out of my motherfucking mouth? I just want to do one last test, and that is, do these microphones act as a live off the floor microphone? Can you bring your phone and one of these microphones to a bar or a pub, wherever you're playing, and set it up and it actually pick you up properly? Do these microphones justify using as maybe a live off the floor microphone? So let's just give this a shot. Right now we got the Rode plugged in. Well, holy shit! I can't believe the results of this test. First and foremost, I do have to say that when I brought the Boya outside, I did not have a mic cover on it, so I think some of those pops that you were hearing was because the wind was hitting the mic straight on. The Rode, when I brought it into Final Cut Pro, it was only coming out of the right speaker. All right, here we go. We're going outside, and this is a busy, busy spot. So for every single individual clip that I was cutting, I had to change it to mono. That is a time waster, whereas the Boya, it comes right in, and you can start cutting and moving on. The other huge issue with the Rode microphone, I'm just gonna bury this company. This little dinky cable that it comes with is the only cable that it works with. You're only given maybe 8 to maybe a foot of length between your camera source and your mic source. And I did swap the cable from the Boya in with this, and it didn't work at all. Unfucking real. There's a huge difference on the timeline between the audio levels between the Boya and the Rode. The Boya is just so much more sensitive, whereas the Rode, it's got a lot of rich textures, but it's a very, very quiet mic. And not just that, but you can't really do anything too far from your camera source to begin with. For the budgeted filmmaker, for the budgeted YouTuber, for the budgeted vlogger, I would hands down go with the Boya MM1. It's half the price. It's half the size of the Rode. You can actually use any cable with the Boya as well. Again, my mind is blown. I can't believe that I spent $60 on a mic that had such high reviews in replacement of the mic that I've been using for so long. I think the thing that I would need to do to make the Boya the best mic it possibly can be for me is maybe get myself a better mount as well as a microphone cover. But other than that, fuck Rode, get yourself a Boya. I am not gonna be using this thing. I'm probably gonna throw it up on Marketplace, but it is a waste of space. I'm really annoyed at this fucking pigtail cord, and I'm also annoyed at me having to go into every single clip and change the audio from stereo to mono. This was something that I think was very educational for you and for me. So if you guys know any filmmakers out there, if you yourself are a YouTuber or a vlogger, I would really like to hear what you guys think. Do you think that the Rode overall is a better microphone than the Boya, or vice versa? Do you think that these pops were happening because I didn't have a mic cover? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you know somebody who might benefit from this, be sure to share it to them. Until next time, I'm Johnny Nocash. You better stay dusty. I'm out.